Please go ahead and get yourself comfortable. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Another deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. A third deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Now, just breathing comfortably with your eyes closed. Breathing comfortably, just imagine that with each breath you take in, you breathe in relaxation and positive energy. Go ahead and imagine a healing light of whatever color you like surrounding your body, so that with each breath you take in, your lungs comfortably draw in that healing light, allowing it to flow through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. Imagine a healing shower flowing down, crystal clear water that's a perfect temperature as it flows over the top of your head, soothing and relaxing your scalp, washing away fear, doubt, anxiety, washing away anger, sadness, guilt, shame, washing away pain, frustration, disappointment, embarrassment, washing these away to reveal the light that you truly are. This unique expression of divine light and love, allowing more and more of that light to be revealed as that healing shower continues down over your body, flowing over the forehead, relaxing the muscles in your face, flowing down over the back of your head, your neck, your shoulders, washing away tension, leaving your shoulders calm, comfortable, and relaxed. That healing shower flowing down your arms, all the way down over your fingertips, down over your chest and your stomach, soothing and relaxing, healing and cleansing, and allowing yourself to remain comfortably in whatever position you choose. Allow that healing shower to flow down over your upper and lower back. And as your torso relaxes, your internal organs comfortably do whatever they need to do to achieve and maintain your optimal level of health and well-being in body, mind, and spirit. As that healing shower continues down over your body, down over your hips and your thighs, over your knees, down your lower legs, through your ankles, into your feet. And finally, that relaxation flows over your toes as you allow yourself to relax twice as much, going at least twice as deep with each number as I count backwards. 5, drifting down to 4, floating down to 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. Deeper, deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. And in this calm, comfortable state of mind and body, go ahead and imagine yourself in some really beautiful place. Some place where you allow yourself to be present to the beauty, the magnificence, the abundance of creation. And in this place, as you allow yourself to experience that beauty and that magnificence, allow yourself to remember that it is here for you as much as anyone else. Because you could imagine standing on a beach, watching a sunrise over the ocean, and you could be there with anybody else and you'd get the same view as anyone else. You could look up at the stars at night, and anyone standing next to you, no matter who they might be, you'd get to see the same view. And even right now, with each breath that you take, the universe says yes to your request for oxygen. That's the universe constantly saying to you, you are worthy and deserving. Take a big, deep breath and hold it. And let it go. And just notice that when you asked for more, the universe still said yes. Yes, you are even worthy and deserving of more. Just allow yourself to take that in as you allow yourself again to look around at the beauty and the magnificence all around. And allow yourself to say, I am worthy and deserving of this. And thinking about the things that you want to achieve, and say, I am the sort of person who does what it takes. Say, I am someone who takes really good care of myself. I am someone who treats myself with love. I am someone who sends love to others. Just feel this in your body, allowing yourself to know that you really are this person. And just imagining what kind of a year this person can create. Allow yourself to appreciate yourself for being here today to hear this, to say this to yourself on this first day of the year. Starting this new year, acknowledging that you are a magnificent child of the universe, worthy and deserving of the best this world has to offer, and willing to share your gifts and talents to make the world an even better place. Please and thank you. Allowing yourself to feel grateful to yourself for starting the year this way. And giving yourself permission to continue to set yourself more and more free to be the person who creates an awesome life. Just allowing yourself to feel all kinds of love and gratitude for yourself as we go even deeper now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. In a moment, I'll count you back out from 0 up to 5. 5 will be wide awake, alert, focused, and energetic, feeling much better than before. Feeling much more aware of your awesomeness. And a greater freedom to share that awesomeness with others. Tonight, when you choose to go to sleep, don't be surprised when you fall asleep quickly, soundly, deeply, and sleep very well through the night. During the night you'll dream. The more you dream, the stronger you become. I'm going to ask your unconscious mind to allow at least one of your dreams to be a very healing dream. Continuing this healing process in body, mind, and spirit so that in the morning, at the time you've chosen to wake up, you wake up easily, feeling refreshed, energetic, and ready to start the day again, powerfully moving forward into an ever more joyful experience of an ever greater abundance of health, wealth, happiness, and love, which are your birthright and which benefit others. And now I go back down to 0, which is always deep sleep, allowing your mind, body, and spirit to digest all of these positive thoughts and images, taking them in at a very deep level so that these positive changes occur easily, effortlessly, and naturally. Coming up to 1, feeling physically relaxed. 2, feeling emotionally calm and confident. 3, health and well-being, enthusiasm, love, joy, and gratitude flowing through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. 4, becoming more and more alert and aware of your surroundings. And 5 is eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Eyes open wide, wide awake. And welcome back. And again, thank you guys so much for joining me for this, for starting this year with me like this. This to me, you know, it's an awesome way for me to start the year. I hope that you will take a look at the programs that I have to help you create an awesome year. Just put the link in the chat again, and it's in the description box down below. Um, talkwithbrad.com/best life 2026. And I will see the VIPs at in 10 minutes. So that'll be 222. Love those angel numbers. 222 here in California, 222 Pacific time. Um, and if you want to still join that, you can do so. Again, the link's in the chat there, VIP. And awesome. I wish you guys the most magnificent new year. Thank you for being willing to clear what isn't your best self so that you can be your best self, share that best self with the world, and then create the kind of life that comes with that, because you are worthy and deserving of that. Nothing is too good for you, and uh, and then it means that you share all kinds of awesomeness with the world. Uh, Please and thank you. All right, guys. Love you so much. Have a wonderful new year, and